What are the types of VPN protocols? Each of these VPN protocols offer different features and levels of security and are explained below. Number 1. Internet Protocol Security or IPSec. Internet Protocol Security or IPSec is used to secure internet communication across an IP network. IPSec secures internet protocol communication by authenticating the session and encrypts each data packet during the connection. IPSec operates in two modes, transport and tunneling mode, to protect a data transfer between two different networks. The transport mode encrypts the message in the data packet and the tunneling mode encrypts the entire data packet. IPSec can also be used with other security protocols to enhance the security system. Number 2. Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol or L2TP. L2TP or Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol is a tunneling protocol that is usually combined with another VPN security protocol like IPSec to create a highly secure VPN connection. L2TP connection creates a tunnel between two L2TP connection points and IPSec protocol encrypts the data and handles secure communication between the tunnels. Number 3. Point-to-point Tunneling Protocol PPTP. PPTP or Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol creates a tunnel and encapsulates the data packet. It uses a point-to-point protocol to encrypt the data between the connections, called as PPP. PPTP is one of the most widely used VPN protocol and has been in use since the time of Windows 95. Apart from the Windows, PPTP is also supported on Mac and Linux. Number 4. Secure Sockets Layer SSL and Transport Layer Security TLS. SSL and TLS create a VPN connection where the web browser acts as a client and the user access is restricted to specific applications instead of entire network. SSL and TLS protocol is mostly common used by online shopping websites and service providers. Number 5. OpenVPN. OpenVPN is an open source VPN that is used for creating point-to-point and site-to-site connections. It uses a custom security protocol based on SSL and TLS protocol. The last one, Secure Shell SSH. SSH creates the VPN tunnel through which the data transfer happens and also ensures that the tunnel is encrypted. SSH connections are created by SSH client and data is transferred from a local port onto the remote server through the encrypted tunnel. Thank you.